Hi friends, welcome to the channel. There is a good news from Mahindra that it is conducting off-campus drive for BE Btech students specialized in Mechanical, EEE and ECE. Watch the video till the end to know complete details about this hiring. And degree needed is BE Btech, passed out year 2020, 2021 and 2022. Job location will be Pune, and based on your passed out batch and the interview, you will be given some more locations like Hyderabad, Coimbatore, Chennai and all. Based on your interview and the passed out year, they will give you the location. Qualification: Bachelors of Engineering Electronics and related field, Bachelors of Engineering from Mechanical. You must be required, and all the things and job description also given. You can go through that. To apply, link will be given in description. You can go through that. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe, so that you will never miss latest updates on our YouTube channel regarding freshers hiring and free training and certificates and many more. We are going to upload in our YouTube channel. So please do subscribe, so that you will never miss latest updates. And location will be Pune. All the details will be given once again. You can go through that after clicking the link to apply for this position. And responsibilities and key deliverables also given, what they are expecting from the person. And experience, no need any prior experience. Freshers can eligible to apply for this position, especially from mechanical, EEE and ECE students who are passed out from 2020, 2021 and 2022. Job segment will be engineer, hydraulics and engineering. And if you have any queries while applying for this job or any other related queries regarding top MNCs, you can join in our WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Links are given in description. Thank you.